Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting material that I used to make these beautiful leaves. These leaves you can use to decorate your wall or make some wall hangings, wall decorations, etc. I made a bigger craft using these leaves. Today I'm going to focus on how to make these leaves using coconut spade. This is the material. This is the coconut spade. It's a natural raw material that falls off from trees, from coconut trees particularly. It's very strong. It has a beautiful texture that you see in these leaves. I'm very happy to share this video today. I hope you have subscribed to my channel, and thank you for watching, guys. Let me show you from where I took these coconut spade or chillate as we call it in Tamil. இது பாத்தீங்களா, இது தென்னை சில்லாட்டையில பண்ண இலைகள். நான் இந்த தென்னை சில்லாட்டை இது இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, நான் என்னோட வீட்டு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற தென்னை மரங்கள்லேருந்து விழுந்த இதுவும் வெட்டி எடுத்ததுலேயும் இருந்து நான் செஞ்சுருக்கேன். இது இந்த லீவ்ஸ் இந்த இலைகளை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் நான் இந்த கிராஃப்ட் செஞ்சுருக்கேன். இது போன கிராஃப்டில் உங்களுக்கு காமிச்சேன். இது வந்து பனங்காயிலிருந்து மேலே எடுக்கிற அந்த கேப் மாதிரி உள்ளது. நான் இது ஆக்சுவலி ஸ்டிக் பண்ணலை, இந்த கிராஃப்ட்டு இனிதான் ஸ்டிக் பண்ணணும். இன்றைக்கி இந்த லீவ்ஸை நான் எப்படி இதில் செஞ்சேன் அப்படிங்கிறத உங்களுக்கு காட்ட போகிறேன். This is the part that I need to do this craft with. Be very careful when you pull this out. There will be a lot of insects hiding for shade during hot summer months. I'm cutting it off with a pair of sharp scissors. It's better to collect the ones that has already fallen off, but this sheath has a more flexible rubbery texture to it, so I am cutting it off directly from the tree. This outer part that is covering this bark is perfect for making a lot of crafts. I have a lot of ideas. I hope you guys have already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please do, and thank you for watching. Now that I have enough to make a lot of leaves, I'm going to go in and show you how I made this. I am going to collect more of this. have enough to make this craft. Now I'll show you how. Now I'll show you more closely how this actually looks. See that broomy texture there? It almost looks like a leaf. So when we cut the shape from this, it gives you a nice texture. I think I like this better than crepe paper because it even stretches. I'll go inside now and I'll show you how to make these leaves. To make flowers, I'm also collecting some of these palm caps. Panamparam mela irukolla, top of that. With metallic bronze or gold colors, you can just give highlights to these palm caps. You can use any color, pink or blue or anything that you like. I'm going with bronze and gold today. Just take a darker color of paper stripe on all four sides of the chart. This will give you a framed look to this wall craft. எல்லா அந்த 4 சைட்ஸ்லையுமே இந்த மாதிரி ஒட்டிக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் பண்ண ஒரு லுக் கிடைக்கும். அதுக்காக இப்படி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. With a sharp pair of scissors, cut out these sheaths into leaves. We can cut this into any leaf shapes we want. It will be easier if you first sketch an outline of a leaf and then cut the shape. Stretching this out like this will give you a nice shape to the leaf. I'll show you by sketching an outline and then cutting a leaf. Using a sharp knife or another spade, just scrape off the outer layer of the leaf. That's a spongy kind of outer covering. Just scrape it off so that that broomy texture will be well exposed. So when you paint on it, it will be very nice to look upon. You can see the difference here. This will look much cleaner. Now I'm going to paint using acrylic color. If you are an artist, you are going to have a very nice time doing this step. I'm just going to do with whatever I know. It will be much nicer if you use metallic colors. That will give a very nice glittery feel to your leaves. So the craft will look amazing when it's all done. I'm just going to highlight it with the metallic color. I'm mainly using gold and bronze colors on this leaf. I am not a very good artist, so I'm just doing with whatever colors I had and with whatever looked good. So please do try this at home with your own creative minds. I'm sure that it's going to look amazing. This is the bronze metallic color that I'm going to use to highlight this. It will be nice if you give 2-3 coats to this surface, because it's very thick, so you need more color, you need more paint. But I'm just doing it with one layer because I have very less paint with me right now. Now that the leaves are ready, I'm going to arrange and see how my craft should look like. Maybe like this. This looks really pretty. I'll arrange and see if I like it any other way. Like this maybe? Maybe like this. No. I'm going to go with this. With the help of a glue gun, make sure you tightly stick these leaves onto your surface. Over here I'm using a chart paper. Sit tight like this. I'm going to stick this palm cap flower in between those leaves, and it's all done. What did you think of this craft? Do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is another beautiful craft that I made using these leaves. This is another variation that I made using these leaves. I really hope that you like this video.